Hello, my name is Dillon Howton. I work here at Lignacite, Brandon, as a maintenance engineer. I've been here roughly 3 years now, and it is going hella fun. I'm the one that takes care of all the machines, make sure they're all up and running, make sure everything's greased and perfectly ran. I mean, I like getting dirty, I like getting all oily. I mean, it is good fun. It is really good fun. Everyone would think like The Apprentice, get the broom, get the bruise on, but here it's completely different. You get hands on. As soon as you've got an issue, they just go, right, issue, solve it. It's just straight up. Like, you ain't got no time to think about it until you're at the job looking at what's going on. People here respect you. Just speak to you with respect, and that's mainly the best thing. You've got your own little family, really. It's a family-run business. It's a good place. You don't get spoken to like you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't know what you're doing, you get taught how to do it. I'd say definitely give it a go. It's always a challenge, really. Like, definitely give it a go. Don't think, oh, it's too hard for me, and not. I mean, I ain't got a GCSE at all, and I'm here still to this day, getting as much support as you need, really. Every day is a new day. It's different stuff each day, every day. And yeah, I'd say definitely keep going with it. Keep pushing yourself to be the better person you were yesterday.